We are Factory Shed Construction Company. We have years of experience in constructing high-quality factory sheds, ensuring durable and efficient buildings. We design and build sheds tailored to your specific needs and requirements. We use only the best materials to guarantee the longevity and reliability of our constructions. Our solutions are competitively priced, offering great value without compromising on quality. We are committed to completing projects on schedule, helping you get your operations up and running quickly. We prioritize safety in all our projects, adhering to the highest industry standards to ensure a secure working environment. From planning and design to construction and finishing, we provide a full range of services to meet all your factory shed needs. We pride ourselves on our excellent customer service, with many satisfied clients who trust us for their construction projects. We incorporate the latest technology and innovative designs to create functional and aesthetically pleasing factory sheds.